Hi, in this video we're going to cover how to migrate an existing site over to Nexcess on Manage WordPress or Manage WooCommerce. So I'm in the portal for Nexcess and I'm going to go click on Site Dashboard, which will take me to the dashboard for the site. And now I need to go and get the SSH SFTP creds. So I'm going to go click on the Access tab and that'll end up loading the all the SSH SFTP creds. So you can get all of those there. So I'm going to go back over to the site that I want to migrate over. So this is a site that's not hosted on Nexcess that I want to migrate over. So I need to go search for migrate to web plugin. So I'm going to go ahead and install that now. I'm going to go activate it. And now scroll down, that adds a new admin tab. And then that's going to be where I need to enter email, destination, site URL, which is going to be in this case the temp domain, because we're going to migrate the site over before we turn it live. Host name, port, user, and also the password. And also you end up needing to agree to blog vault terms and conditions. So I'm going to go back to the portal to go copy all that information. So this ends up being the site URL. So I'm going to go copy that as the site URL and then take off the slash. So just do site domain. Whatever email address you want to get the blog vault notification at is the one you need to enter. And then we already know the port is 22. So now we're going to go and add copy the username. And now I'm going to go generate a new password because this one's already expired. So 1 moment and then that should show. So I can now view that password. You can view it 15 times, whichever comes sooner or ends up expiring at a certain time. So I'm going to go view that password. So I'm going to go copy that. I'm going to go paste that into the password field. So I've got everything entered. The only thing looks like I didn't copy over was the host name. So I'm going to go copy that as well. So I've entered everything into blog vault, and then you'd get an email notification saying that the migration has started, and you'll get another email notification when the migration is finished. So you don't have to keep this tab open. You can just let blog vault keep on running, and then it will, after it's validated all the information, you can see that this is the site size. So it's showing the site is 1.5 1.45 gig in size, and then also it's going to go through and migrate all the database tables as well. It's showing it's got 48 database tables, and you can see in here that it's migrating the live domain there to a temp domain, and then it's just going to go through and migrate everything there. So let's go back into so after you've finished the migration, the two things you're going to want to do is flush the permalinks. Also, you're going to want to flush the object cache as well, which you can do from the admin bar. So that just end up being in WP admin, in settings, in permalinks, and then you're just going to just want to save that, and that just makes sure that you don't end up with any broken links after the migration. So let's see if in this case if we can go to that site. So it's going to ask me to log back in. But yeah, so you'd want to just log back into the site after you finish the migration, flush the permalinks, as well as flushing the object cache. Okay, thanks a lot.